the Burt Weeks Memorial Garden, which is dedicated to a former mayor of Windsor who really got the ball rolling for the riverfront park system in the mid-1970s, and who dreamt of an unimpeded trail of parks along the Detroit River for people to enjoy. Mr. Weeks died in 1990, and his remains were cremated and scattered as was his wish. It's a beautiful water-themed park and garden containing a beautiful fountain around a pond, along with a small bridge around a bay and a terrace garden, a plaza, and a functional sundial. The garden is the same dimensions and is located on the original site as the round table, which served as a turning station for the steam locomotives. Back in the day, this entire waterfront was filled with a conglomerate of railroad tracks owned by New York Central, Grand Trunk, and Canadian National, and are extended from Sarnia in 1856. The round brick building right there was the original pumping station that was used to power the steam locomotives at the time. It has since been restored by the city of Windsor, although it is mostly decorative now. Trains would go on the turntable, which, as said, is the site of the Burt Weeks Memorial Garden, or they would then go into the marshalling yard around where we now dock the Mikasa Bay to be taken onto those loading platforms to head over to the United States. This area over here is a good place to go have a little picnic with your special someone. Assuming you're not me and you have a special someone. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the Prohibition era in the United States and the role it played over here in Windsor. Prohibition began in the United States with the passing of the 18th Amendment, and until its repeal, the United States was officially tried. From 1919 until 13 years later, the brewing and distilling business boomed, especially over in Windsor, Ontario, and the entirety of Canada. Many plants picked up the state-of-the-art equipment from closed-down American plants, along with displaced brewmasters, displaced by Prohibition. Enormous amounts of money were made, and many families became wealthy, including the Kennedy family in Boston, and of course, many big-time gangsters like Al Capone. It was a profitable venture for both parts of the border, but especially popular for the United States. Over here in Canada, the Hiram Walker Company could sell a case of whiskey to Al Capone for $5. Now that's